Hello, my name is Casey, and today I will show you how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First, we take the bread and you... Ow! That was my face! Ow! Next, I will... Okay then. Now, we take the peanut butter. Next, I will take the peanut butter jelly and put it on the sandwich. Don't stab anybody with the knife now. Mix it all around real good. Now, you spread it out on the bread really flatly. Hope I washed my hands. Next I take the other piece of bread and take the jelly and put it on the bread. Up over there. Next, you put a whole lot of jelly on your sandwich because nobody likes peanut butter. Oh, I guess that's a lot. Next, you close the sandwich and you smush it all together. And you eat it. That was so good. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you next time.